How's it going, guys? Here today is January 8th. It's 10:30 in the morning. Cloudy, a bit rainy. So I'll let you know what's going on here. We're working on a Navian combi unit. Yeah, it was installed maybe a couple of years ago by another contractor. So probably like a month ago they had an issue with the system, and we had to replace the three-way valve on the Navian combi boiler. So also we're looking at the system, how it was installed, and the venting termination outside was done incorrectly. So you can see how they installed it. They had the intake, the highest point, pointing out and down, and then they had the exhaust in the bottom. So what was going on is when the system was operating, the exhaust was pulling it out, exhausting out, and the intake was sucking it back in. So we had to red tag the unit, a B tag, which is a 42-day notice infraction. So the owner tried to contact the original installer, and he refused to come. So we're here now to repair it. I just don't understand how these installers, it's not, these termination codes and all that, it doesn't vary by unit. In some instances it does, regarding how many feet away, how many BTUs and all that. But gotta remember, intake is always on the bottom, exhaust is always on the top. So don't know here. So you're gonna see exactly what's going on. As you guys can see right here, this is the intake. That's the exhaust. I also actually red tagged them because of the gas meter. It's going to be too close to the venting. It's got to be at least 3 feet apart from the discharge. So, but I think he doesn't want us to do it. But we're just doing today the venting, but we're not going to be clearing the red tag because of the gas meter. I think he's going to get Enbridge to take care of that. So we just finished redoing the venting here. This is the proper way of doing it. Okay, so the intake and the exhaust at least 3 feet apart. There's a window there, but it's a permanently closed window, so there's no code. So if that was a window that does open, it would have to be 3 feet away from that, but we're okay there. They don't, it's a sealed window. So we got at least 12 inches above grade for the snow. We do have a valley hanger there supporting on the wall, Armaflex to prevent it from freezing inside there. We do have some grills there to prevent anything from going inside there. And the only thing is, I'm not gonna clear the red tag that I have issued. The reason is because intake is right here. We have our gas meter right there, the relief port right here, and also they have an exhaust vent right here. And from here to there, it's less than 3 feet. So I told him we're not going to clear this red tag. He said he's going to call Enbridge for them to clear it. So hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? So always remember, also protect yourselves. Have everything written down so it doesn't bite you in the ass afterwards. So, but that's the proper way to do the exhaust venting, intake venting, termination. Until next time, thanks for watching. Cheers.